3 millionth unit that we're selling today in North America is a huge accomplishment for Rinnai America. And to have it manufactured here in Griffin, Georgia is a huge milestone not only for Rinnai America, but for our corporation. It took us about 10 years from 2000 to get to our first million units in North America. It took another 6 years for us to get to our 2 millionth unit, and it took less than 4 years for us to get to our 3 millionth unit. So we're seeing this acceleration of our product sales out in the North American market, and we think it'll be a lot quicker for us to get to our 4 millionth unit in the coming years. We've got a great team of associates working here at Rinnai America that come in every day committed to what we're trying to accomplish here, committed to quality as our destiny, and always looking to do their best not only for our company but also for our customers. By 2027, we want to 3X our business. And the only way we're going to 3X our business is if we 3X our customers' business. That's why we're making the investments here at Rinnai America. Domestic manufacturing, new corporate headquarters, innovation center, launching new product in tankless, improving the existing product we have. That's our goal, is to be the growth driver for Rinnai Corporation.